The Road Safety Unit, the RSU, has reported that with 7 days to go, I think it's less than 7, but at that time, a total of 465 people had been killed in motor vehicle crashes this year. With the help of Vice Chairman of the National Road Safety Council, Dr. Lucien Jones, we take a deeper look at some of the unlikely causes and some likely of these fatalities and possible preventative measures. So we say good morning and welcome to Dr. Jones. Hi, Doc.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Delia. Good morning, Curtis.
How are you, sir?
I am good because of Christmas. I am very bad because of what is happening on our roads.
Yep. We hear of hot spots where apparently more accidents happen. When we're talking about these amazing figures, these stupid figures, are these accidents happening at these hot spots, or they're just all over the place?
All over the place, Curtis. All over the place. And I want to use this opportunity first to say to Jamaica that there's no silver bullet when it comes to reducing road crashes, injuries, and fatalities. We have to use a systemic approach. And when you talk about hotspots, we're talking about roads and places where people are liable to speed. And if you have bad roads, then you have challenges. But it's not a matter of speed alone and bad roads alone. There are 5 pillars which the World Health Organization has recommended that we use in what is called a safe systems approach. And our Prime Minister, in his wisdom, has accepted this recommendation from the WHO. It involves promoting safe speeds, yes, safe roads, yes, but also safe road users, safe vehicles, and also at the end, if you have a crash, you need to be able to be transported very quickly to a hospital that can manage you. So you need a safe systems after the crash, post-crash system to transport people. So when you put all those together, you get a comprehensive system which we can use to make a serious dent in the 475 people who have died so far for this year, and the 487 people who died last year.
There are some things, though, Doc, that never said it, that I feel, so when we look at motorcyclists, and they're accounting for 29% of the persons, 136, I don't know if I get the feeling that we are doing enough to mitigate motorcycle accidents. I might be wrong.
Well, the problem with the motorcycle, there is a complex issue. In 2012, when we had a record, quote unquote, 260 people who died. We haven't reproduced that since. 48 motorcyclists died in that year.
Right.
So the number you just mentioned show that there's been a tremendous surge in the importation of motorcycles, in the purchasing of motorcycles, and the fact that many of them are untrained, they can't drive. They indulge or engage in all sorts of antics because they belong to quote-unquote gangs. So you have a no-headlight crew. They will ride at night without any headlights.